guys, it's me, Tony from Finding Disney. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm so glad to have you back to my channel if you're returning and if you're new because maybe you've stumbled across my channel because of this ear swap. Well, welcome, and I hope that you stick around and subscribe and you like what you see. I have a video for you today that is exciting because it's kind of getting us into this winter time. I know a lot of my friends have already put up their Christmas decorations and taking down all those fall decorations, but I live in Michigan and our winter starts pretty early. We usually start seeing snow at the end of October, and nothing usually sticks to the ground, but you will see it. And actually, I did see snow today before filming this video. It's kind of dark in my house because I'm filming a little later than normal, and this is actually a refilm. I know I'm gibbering on and you just like, Tony, get into the ears, but I lost the first video that I filmed. So I wish that I had like the shock and the surprise of opening my package from Kiki, but I don't. But I want to show you everything just as much. I'm so grateful. So the first thing that I opened was this little card. It says, "Happy Holidays and thank you for your order." This is from Whiskers On Kittens, and I'll put all the information below, of course, in the description. So the first thing I did when I did my video earlier was like this little scratch off, and it says free holiday digital print, email us to claim. So I think that's really neat that this business card has a cool coupon on it as well. The other thing that I received was this really, really fun sticker pack. And I don't know if Kiki maybe stalked my Instagram or something, but I'm a huge Big Bang Theory fan. I love Sheldon. I love the whole cast of the Big Bang. I think it's just a really special show. Here's a really cute Minnie sticker. I also got a Corgi, which is really fun. I have a new puppy. Well, I keep saying new, but he's not new anymore. He is now just over a year old, and we've had him for about 11 months. So I guess he still is kind of new. I got another puppy here. Looks like this is a German Shepherd, right? And it says Y at the top. And also a Harry Potter sticker. And this is Harry himself. And then a Hufflepuff sticker. I'm like, did she know that it was a Hufflepuff? Like, I don't know if this is by chance or if she just knew that I loved Disney, Harry Potter, and dogs all at the same. And this says, new sticker packs available in our shop. Enjoy your free sample pack. So this is sample packs. So she probably didn't know my likes, but that's just funny that they fit. Mini styles to choose from: unicorns, Disney princess, memes, Mary Poppins, friends, and more. And since it says Whiskers on Kittens, that does make me think of the song from Julie Andrews, which is, I can't think of the name of the song. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. What song is that? Oh, a few of my favorite things, yeah. Okay. I just sing the song in my head to like think of the title. Okay, let's get into these ears. She gifted me these beautiful winter ears with this mint green fuzz around the ears. And then there's also some pink little embellishments. And then these ornaments, some of them are bells. I don't know if you can hear that. And so I got 2 bells and then 2 of these little glittery ornaments looking. And then this candy cane in the center to top it off. So these are kind of Christmassy, but they're wintry too. I think they're a little bit of both. The ears this month were supposed to be winter themed, but they could be Christmas themed as well. But I think these are kind of both. I'm wearing a headband that Erika DeOcampo made for me. These are Olaf on here. I don't know if you can see Olaf, but she gifted those to me 2 months ago, I believe it was, in an ear swap. So I've done 2 other ear swaps before. Like I mentioned, these are the ones that Erika gave me. So these ear swaps have been a lot of fun, and these are from Cameron. And these ears light up. I don't know if I can find the light really quick. Aren't those precious? she said she wanted these to be like Aurora themed, like pink or blue, you know, that scene in the movie. But, so those are my 2 other ears that I've received in swaps, and in the description below, I will put the 2 other videos where I unboxed those. But Kiki did something really cool, or well, Whiskers on Kittens, and these are light up. And I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you what these look like in the dark. They're really cool. Okay, so I didn't want it to be totally dark. That way you could still see the ears and then also, but see the lights a little bit better. Aren't these precious? I love them. I love that they light up. These would be so perfect to wear in the parks for the holiday season. I've actually never been to the parks during the holidays, and I want to so bad. I'm like jealous of seeing everyone's pictures of trees and, you know, all the decorations that Disney does. They really do such a nice job. And also the fireworks show. But anyway, these feel so good on my head. They're nice and lightweight. They don't feel like they're gonna slide off, and I love how they kind of jingle when I move. But thank you so much, Kiki. These are really, really cute. I hope by watching this video that it just uplifted your day and that you are getting excited for Christmas time. And don't forget to watch all the other videos in this ear swap. There is a ton of us, so you'll be busy for a long time, and I know you're gonna enjoy everyone's videos. And the person that I gave my ears to is Melodie at Princess Melodie, so I'm gonna put her channel in the description so you can go see her first, right after you see this video and you saw me unboxing my ears, well, unboxing my ears. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again really soon for a new video. Bye, Disney fans.